Variety.
Knives. He's a knives. Okay, so we are on YouTube. My father, son.
Yeah.
So put on your thing so you can tell him what you do. Yeah. So you sell knives?
Yeah, we sell a lot of knives here, including pocket knife, hunting knife, garden, machete. Yeah.
Out of everything here, which one is the number one special one that you?
Oh, it's hard to see.
Know,
Yeah,
huh?
we have a lot of things here.
Okay.
Yeah.
The
Manufacturer of over 20 years experience, so we have a lot of variety here.
Okay.
Yeah.
They have clips.
You have a YouTube account?
Yeah.
Oh, YouTube.
Yeah, we're on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
So-
Maybe I can search you and follow you.
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
What's your account?
It's Steve Tristan's Best right here.
May I keep this?
And then if you want to send samples and us review them on our channel, whenever you have something new or whatever, you send it to us and we'll test it.
Yeah. Good.
You tell us, what do
Yeah.
you think you would want us to test it on? Like,
Yeah. Hello.
as long as he's not like, throwing
yes.
it across the house. Or
Yeah.
something like that.
To test the glue.
Durability.
Yeah.
Durability test and all
And
that,
with good view.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we could do that for you if you'd like.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, just
Thank you so much.
Send it. There's a PO box there.
Yeah.
If you need to ship another way, let me know and I can get you another address. But this
Okay.
one should be good.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Please, well, because he needs one. So
It works like this.
good. Yeah, it's good. I like that. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, send us one. We'll review it and all that. But you already got a short on us right here.
Yeah. So you will.
Yeah, he'll want to. He carries a lot of. Do you have them all on you?
At 300.
Okay. Because it's not, because it's
What?
well, like your biggest one. Show them where it's at.
Oh, it's at home. It's
Oh, you don't have them with
Oh.
you. Not that one, but in your pocket. Right?
Oh, these guys. Look at these.
So yeah.
Yeah.
So I can't always keep in my pocket. It's good to have that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see?
It's good.
And when you, it will not stuck you.
What if you're fat like me?
Yeah.
It'll turn. All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome. So you guys want to explain what it is? He's okay.
That's your bag.
seen one of these before.
He's never seen one. Here's your mic.
Oh,
You talk to him, I won't.
All right.
All
There you
right,
go.
here we go, guys. So this is a 27-ton hydraulic log splitter. So the split time is 13 seconds back and forth.
Wow.
Coolest feature about it is it actually turns vertical. So watch your feet
that's cool. I've never seen
there, right? So if you got heavy logs that someone can't lift, you can just throw them under here, and now you can split them vertically,
Amazing.
right?
Wow.
So really cool. It has a 6.5 horsepower Kohler engine, so 10,000 places that you can service your Kohler engine if you have any issues. 1 year warranty on manufacturer defects for our outdoor power equipment problems. 2 years on the engine.
Looks great.
Any
Wow.
questions? How did I do?
You did
Amazing.
well.
You did
Where can
perfect.
someone buy this from?
You could buy this at Home Depot, Tractor Supply, Lowe's.
Good deal. So, if we were cutting wood, I wouldn't buy one of these. I would just have you do it.
Yeah. Yeah. Doing it by hand is more rewarding, is what I've heard.
Then you have, guns after,
Yeah, exactly.
Well, thank you very much.
No problem.
We
No
appreciate
problem.
We're here promoting an opportunity to basically return your pet home safely, right?
Sure,
So
yeah.
it's another layer of identification besides the microchip.
Yeah.
And for the retailer, there's some profit margins that are available. And it's very unique. Everything's manufactured in Italy and different designs. So if you have pets, people love their pets and they love to buy gifts.
We
for
have
their
a lot.
pets. Yeah. So no different here, right? It could be a collar, it could be a lead. These are ID tags to accessorize. And again, the basic element is the safety of the pet. And then we just happen to make the tags and they're pretty cool. So if you want to engrave a tag, right? So we have U.S. flags, we have
I like the US flag.
European
US flag,
flags,
this.
we have California, Texas, and so the idea is it's self-service. So by
So
self-service,
he can do it, and not a guy behind
store
the counter.
employee, exactly.
Right.
So that's a value to the store owners because now they don't have a resource. So after this, you scan the tag, right? And now it's going to tell your customer an opportunity to where to go to be able to put in. Now, some tags are two-sided, some are one. This is one side. So you just slide it in. And then now most of them go up to 4 lines, but you could be 1 or 2 for maybe a smaller tag like these, right? That could be 2 lines. Okay, so if this is for your pet or it could be for you, right? It could be a luggage tag. So you could have your name and a phone number in case your luggage got lost. Doesn't always have to be a pet. So you want to put a pet's name? 2 lines?
Just one actually.
One line?
Well, you put turbo and then my phone number.
So you want a phone number too?
You put a phone number.
So we just go back. No big deal. And we just hit 2. So I'll let you drive. Just tap it a little bit harder than it's an industrial screen.
What's his name? Yeah. The next.
Yep.
Okay.
And then when you get to the numbers, just put a space or dash for the phone number.
Okay. Pause. We can't my cell phone number. Sorry, I can't share it with the world. So.
All right, so there'll be another one that you're going to see the phone number again, so you don't want to do it. Okay, so now you have an opportunity for the customer in case they made a mistake, right? The phone number could be incorrect, the name could be misspelled, and then you have choices of fonts, right? So the top 2 are the 2-line, the Gaudi and the Helvetica. The Gaudi, okay, then hit engrave, and that's it. Takes less than 2 minutes.
Cool.
And
you can come in now. Look at it work.
Wow. And then every tag would have an O-ring, so when you get home, you can just separate it, and this would attach to the collar.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Thank you.
So it's all together in one little kit. And again, everything is manufactured in Italy. So very unique design, very high quality.
Okay, so for the consumers right now, where can they go? Where do you go?
Pet retailers.
Pet retailers.
Yeah, so it could be a PetSense, it could be a Petland, it could be a farm and feed, it could be Ace Hardware, it could be, So
they're all over.
It could be shelters. I mean, we have shelters, we have veterinarian clinics, so our product fits where pets are, basically. Cool. Yeah.
Wow. Can they go to your website to find where the stores are, or they don't have that?
They can. There's a store locator.
Okay.
They just search, put in your address, and you can find it on myfamilyusa.com.
Myfamilyusa.com. Cool.
I like it.
Awesome.
Amazing.
That's great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Thanks.